Mark had an old smartphone that seemed doomed for the junkyard, but he decided to take the leap into DIY tech repairs. With just a few online tutorials and a simple toolkit, he managed to replace the battery and fix the screen, giving his device a second life. During his journey, he discovered that using the right tools and following each step carefully led to great results. Most importantly, he felt a surge of confidence in his ability to tackle future tech issues. Now, Mark encourages others to embrace self-repair, reminding them that saving money can also come with the joy of learning.